follow with me. Hold on, let me see. Oh my god, yes, Tom, they are so cool. The effects is everything. That's really thin though, so it's so easy to do. And you can do it any way that you want, however you want yours financially to be, you know, lay on. You can do any different way. Oh, I want the purple one. Let's see what's up with the purple. Oh, nice. I think I have pink one. I put so many different colors in there. So when you have a whole set, you're gonna get so much fun to play with this. All right, so I'm gonna using my dual end tweezers and give it a good rubs here to get it staying on. Well, it's already staying on, but just to get it really nice on the surface. All right, so let's do some crystal placements. Condensed glue gels, of course, the first step, and then the second step is the no wipe top coat. That's two bestie will keep your crystal like my crystals stay on. So if you have troubleshootings with your crystal placements, they are keep falling off, you definitely want to check this bestie out, because she's gonna be the one is keep your crystal stay on. How do I rub this one? All right, condensed glue gels, and now we're doing the top coat. Oh, the jet black snail is just so beautiful. Hey Skyla, happy Friday. How are you? Thank you so much for tuning in. Skyla, beautiful works. Keep it up, Skyla. So beautiful to see your beautiful works. All right, no wipe top coat. Ah, yes, it's honey strong. All right, floating on the top. So now it's up to you if you want to do crystal placement. You can do anything you want. I'm gonna place some with this one and see. You can put flowers on, you can put butterflies on, you can put anything on. Put some bars and some frames. Oh, I like that. Some crystals, some random crystal in a different spot. So this is like a totally different, you see me with so dramatic crystal placements, and then this time I would like to take you to one of the easiest way if fun. And you know what, keep in mind this, it will keep yours stay on really nice, because it's already have yours condensed glue gels. And No web top coat. Looks really good in person though. It's hard to see from a camera because it doesn't do it just at all. But I just want to show you how you can achieve so many different looks, so many different designs. So let's here for 60 seconds, but then